Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are well. Today we learn about count formula that we use in Excel sheet. So before starting our video, I request you to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more video and tutorials. So let's start our lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about count formulas. Count means we apply a count formula if we want to count a cell that contain a number value that contain any numerical value. Count apply only on numerical value. Count A both on numeric value, and we can apply count A formula to count both numeric cells in which numeric value are written and the cell that in which text are written. Count A apply on both text and numeric value. Count blank. We apply count blank formula to count the blank cell in our selected data. And count if we count the cell on our condition base. So let's start our lecture. We apply count formula to count the cell in which numeric value are written that contain numeric value. So for that, press equal, write count, shift bracket open and select the range that you want to count. Then bracket close, press enter. Now in cell in which numeric value are written, it's equal, count, shift bracket open, select the range, shift bracket close, press enter. Then cell in which values are written. So drag it. So you see, count apply only on numeric cells that contain numeric value. We apply count A. In count A, we apply count A formula to count the cell that contain both numeric or text. So let's start it. Press equal, then write count A. Shift bracket open and select the range that you want to count. Shift bracket close and press enter. Then you see 14 cells contain text and numeric values. We again apply it. Press equal, count A. Shift bracket open, select range, bracket close, press enter. 14 cells that contain numeric or other values. We can also apply count A formula like it. Press equal, write count A, shift bracket open and then select one by one cell. Press comma, select cell, press comma, select cell, press comma and press shift and bracket close, press enter. The cell that contain text and numeric value are counted. So drag it. Count blank. We apply count blank to count the cells that are blank. So for that, I click here, press equal, count blank, shift bracket open and select the range, close and press enter. Then the cells are blank. In our range are only one. So we apply count blank formula to count the blank cell in our range that we select. So for that, I click here, press equal, count blank. Then select the range and press enter. Then you see Only one cell are blank in the selected range, so it count only one cell. Again apply it, press equal, count blank, if bracket close, press enter. Only one cell again in this row are, so drag it, or any cell are blank in our selected range, so 0 are show. Next to count blank, count if formula are present. Count if we apply count if formula to count the cells on the basis of our condition that we apply. So for that, click on the cell, write equal, count if, shift bracket open, then select the range. Press comma and write criteria that we want to apply on the range. So I apply count the cell that contain 80. Shift bracket close and press enter. Then you see in ascending to cell, so it count 2 cell contain 80. Again press equal, count if, press. When we up criteria in numeric value, we cannot write into inverted comma. But if we write text, our criteria is set as text in the inverted comma. For that, first inverted comma, right, I want to write normal. Count the cell that contain normal. Close the book and press enter. Only one cell that contain normal text. Count the cell that contain 80 and drag it. No cell count 80. If I change this into 80, enter, then you see. If our condition is fulfilled, then it count on the basis of. Next to count if. Count is for next to count is formula are present. That we discuss in our next lecture. Because it is very interesting. Count if formula are apply and in which we only select one range, one criteria. And in count if formula, we apply 2 to 3 criteria on the basis we can count our specific cells. So I hope you can understand this lecture. We'll meet in our next lecture. Take care of you. Remember to subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks and to learn about Excel and Office. Take care of you. We meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.